Attract exactly what you desire.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast, I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, I want to talk to you about attracting, manifesting today. And I have an important message. So please listen to this podcast all the way through. And if you get a chance, listen to it twice. First, however, I do want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to us on YouTube. Be a part of our monthly drawing where we give away 3 audio programs. And all you have to do is be a subscriber. And the same is true on Instagram. We love you over on Instagram. We're doing some creative things there. So join us on Instagram as well. You know, you are exactly what you think about. The dominant thought on your mind is what you attract into your life. And it doesn't have to necessarily be your conscious mind. It can be your subconscious fears, your subconscious doubts, worries, pain. But those thoughts create emotions, and those emotions create feelings. And it's with those feelings that you interface with the infinite field of potential and you begin to manifest. In other words, the universe gives you back exactly what you're thinking about. So if you're thinking about lack, I don't have enough money, I'm not tall enough, I'm not smart enough, I'm not educated enough, I'm not in the right location. You know, if you're thinking about all of those lack statements that many of us make on a regular basis, that's what you begin to attract. And the more you think about them, the more you begin to attract them. So at this point, I'm going to invite you, high flyers, to be absolutely cautious about your self-talk. It's not only important to be cautious about your self-talk, it's important to be cautious about your conversations. Never, never, never say the word, I can't afford it. Why would you affirm something like that? Never say, he doesn't love me. Why would you affirm that you are unlovable? Okay? You see, when you affirm these negative thoughts, because remember, you are what you think about, you begin to expand the field of potential of attracting more of what you don't want in your life. So if I can't afford something, if I don't have enough money on me, I will say, you know, I can afford that. I just don't have enough money on me right now, but I might do that next week or next month. In other words, I will never, ever use negative affirmations about my finances, about my health, about my relationship. Your relationship could be going to hell right now. Why would you affirm that? That's absolutely ludicrous. That's what you're manifesting because that's what you emotionalize, and those feelings interface with the infinite field of potential, and that's what you attract. I look at my little letters that we get on YouTube, and I hear people saying, I can't live anymore. I can't do this anymore. Blah, 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 blah. I just delete them most of the time now because they're so negative. They're so defeatist. You were not put on this earth to be defeated. Within you is God. If God is within you, If the creator, the force, the energy that created the entire universe also is within you, then you are God. God is within you. I can't imagine God, if you want to visualize God for a moment, I can't imagine God ever saying, I can't create that moon. I can't do that. Nobody loves me anymore. They're not praying to me enough. I can't imagine that. God is always creating, always expanding. The universe is expanding. And so his creation is expanding. And so is yours, if you choose to make it that way. The universe does not match what you want. I just want him to love me. The universe does not match what you want. I just want my career to go good. The universe does not match what you want. I just want my business to be successful. The universe does not match what you want. The universe matches what you are. I am successful. I am loved. I am happy. I am incredibly healthy. I am magnetic. And then don't begin to take on a new language. I gotta laugh at this. Don't begin to take on a new language and then within 2 days or 3 days or a week say, it's not working. It's not working. You see what I'm saying? You're defeating yourself. Come on. You're a high flyer. You're meant to soar in the direction of your dreams and your goals. The universe is always working. And what you put out there, what you vibrate, is exactly, did you hear the word exactly? What you will attract back to yourself. It is always working. And so it really begins with your beliefs, but beyond that, it's about what you say to yourself and what you say to others. It doesn't count if you don't have negative self-talk and then all of a sudden you're with a group of friends or relatives or family and you're all talking about lack. You're all talking about what you don't have and you're sitting there listening to it. That's just as bad because that's what you are attracting. I know that people that are in relationships when they break up, the first thing they do is go talk to all their friends and family who are the most negative people in the world. Why would you do that to yourself and to your relationship? Listen to me right now. If you're loved once, you can love again, even better, even stronger the second time around. Your relationship can be new, it can be exciting, it can be dynamic, but you have to affirm that on a regular basis. The same with your career. You may have been struggling for some time with your career, but at some point you have to say, this is what I do. This is who I am. I love what I do. And you have to pour yourself into it and affirm that you are the best at being you. I may not be the best at being Joe Vitale. I may not be the best at being Tony Robbins. I may not be the best at being Joe Smith or Abraham Hicks, but I am the best at being Robert Zink. That's how you manifest your career. Be the best at being you and affirm that over and over again. And the same with your business. I may not be the best at being Amazon. I may not be the best at being Walmart, but I am the best at Law of Attraction Solutions, LLC. You see what I'm saying? Be the best that you can be. Be you. And don't be ashamed of it. Be excited about it. Be motivated by it. Now, I want you to do this. Will you do this for me? Shift from it's not happening to it's happening, and then I am absolutely certain. In one of my earlier podcasts a few days ago, I gave you the words, I am worthy. Powerful words, incredibly powerful, because you absolutely need to believe you're worthy. I'm going to give you 3 more words today. Write them down. Post them on YouTube. I am certain. I am certain that I am attracting the money I desire. I am certain that my relationship is better and better than ever before. I am certain that I am happy and healthy and wealthy and abundant and joyful. I am certain. Over and over and over again. Use that phrase. Look, when you're certain, there's no room for wiggle worm there. You know, wiggle worm? Wiggle room, I think is what it's called. I'm thinking of my son, Wiggle Worm. But wiggle room, there's no wiggle room there. It's certain. You're positive. God does not ever focus on lack, and neither do you anymore. Did you hear what I just said? You're allowing God to work through you. Stop working through your ego. One of the terms that Wayne Dyer uses for ego is edging God out. Ego. Stop edging God out with your fears and your doubts and start focusing on God force energy pouring through your body, pouring through your beliefs, pouring through your language, pouring through your actions, and manifest like crazy. Manifest exactly what you desire. Focus on your unlimited creative power. God force energy pouring through you. God is within you. You are within God. I am absolutely certain this day is your day to manifest. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.